Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. In our previous video, we discussed about this great command which allows you to list out all the contents of your internal table, in which you just write a select command, no matter how complex it is, how many fields it is transferring into the internal table. And the next you do is just to list down that the contents of the selected table uh, you are these are outputted by this command. So let's analyze what is this command all about. It has an equal to and greater than sign and this, anything before this. And what is this actually? And then see what is this display. And and this is of course our internal table, that's fine. Okay. So what is the difference between this, that is display, and what is this CL demo output in terms of ABAP terminology. So the thing uh, on the left of this equal to sign is it is the class, right? It is the class, and in SAP you can view that class using SE24 and SE80 and let you analyze and figure out to see what are the contents of the class. So classes are made up of different things, types and methods and declarations, etc. Right? So the methods are the part of these are of the class, right? So which methods are contained? So for this, you are supposed to go into the class, right? How to go into that class. So let's copy this class name, right? And let's go to SE24. So if I try to execute it, it would say you do not have SAP. Okay. So we log on to the SAP. Okay. So once we are connected to the SAP, we will go where? We will go to SE80 or SE24. Both can be used to help you figure out what are these classes all about. Means what are the details of contained in those class? What does it class do? So in order to view that, you need SE24. You should have the access. If you do not have the access, you got to contact your basis and the basis team, which has got the authority to authorize the users with the desired T code they are looking for. Okay, so we are looking for SE24. If we have the permission, of course, we are on IDS and which is full of all the permission. Well, there is one role called SAP all. SAP all is not given to everybody, but in IDS normally it is the privilege given to every IDS user so that he can view that, test it, and see that. Okay, so SE24 is the the T code which will help you see the class builder, right? And in here we paste this name which we want to display, we want to see. We do not want to make any change. This is a standard class. Changing a standard is not allowed. It is not advisable. You can make the enhancement. You can make the copy of it and do it and rewrite it in for your own name, following your own naming conventions, right? So first of all, we write the class which we want to query. We want to see that what are these classes, right? So these are so then this class is has got all those methods, and these are the topics. Okay, so this is the instant public method. These are the descriptions. So this is the method tab. These are the properties contained in the class. You have interfaces, different interfaces. So this is the output format and the demo format and their friends. Okay, means any and there are attributes, right? Different attributes which are used, right? So these all are detailed about the class which you are having. Okay, so this is SE24 through which you can see the details of the methods and each method description is available. Yeah? So if you want to add some text to the output, you can use this and this and that, right? So we are using the display method of this, right? So that must be here. This is the display method which we have used this. Display the current output, okay? Uh, and we use. Okay, so this is how it is working, and you also can have certain events and types and aliases. Okay, so that's fine. This is how the class is formed. Let's try to see it using SE80. SE80 is also the key code through which we can explore uh, the contents of a class, right? The contents of the class of the CL demo, which we are talking about. So the methods are listed. You can make a list of the methods of the CL demo. So let me write. The first method we have is the write method. And there's another method that write data, write HTML. So all these are the methods. And then set is static. And there are so many methods, right? So let me give you some examples of the methods contained in this class. So these are, I'm trying to list down everything contained in this class for you. Let me paste the spatial and the text. So these are the methods, right? Okay. These are the methods contained in your class, in this class, which is the class CL demo output, right? Among them, you will find the display which we have used. So, so I wanted to show you that there are so many methods contained in this class, of which we are just using and we're utilizing the display method. And there are some display data, there are display HTML, display JSON, display text. These all are the subsidiaries of the display method. So, and only display we have used it. So there are so many display methods already available. And also you have the get and execute, exec and right. So write method uh, writes the things uh, out for you, right? So that for this you have to follow all these. You have to go into the particular class and the method of that class, and then figure out that what are its input, what are its export, what does this class takes in and processes, and how does it give you the out. So this was our uh, agenda today, that to familiarize you, to let you know that there are so many methods available within this class, and you can use SE24 or SE80 to explore them and utilize them. There are so many the stuff available already in the menu. You can click on any method which you want, and that is going to give you the example of all those things, right? For example, the display method example we have already shown you. Can say it's a simple method can be used uh, uh, to enter the desired things and get the output, right? So first of all, you need to set up the internal table by the means of the select class, and that gives you the output of that using the display method. Okay. Okay, so in the forthcoming videos, we are planning to give you more. This was just an introductory in which we wanted to share with you that how many methods are contained in there, and we will pick and choose certain things which will interest you in upcoming videos. So stay tuned to us. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.